I can't do this without you. So I have this space. I think it's a beautiful canvas, and I want you to create some magic. I want it to look a little holiday-ish without being over the top holiday. And I want some magic with some lights. What do you think?
I did bring anything, so I want to use the things that you have.
Okay. I have all of my Angostura rums and Prosecco, and I want here to also have some kind of ambience. What do you think?
Just lights. I leave you to be the star.
So Maurice always knows how to rock the house. The deco is fabulous. The girls are coming over, and I'm going to start the evening with a daiquiri. For this, I will need 2 ounces of Angostura 1919, which is a great sipping rum, 1.5 ounces of lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, and 3 dashes of aromatic bitters, of course by Angostura. So it's classic, but I'm also going to make a twist on the drink by having a strawberry daiquiri as well as a pineapple daiquiri. Let's get started. Now we're ready to shake it like a Polaroid picture.